Yo, Newswade fans, have you ever wondered if light could travel faster than, well, light? It sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that researchers have discovered something mind-bending about how light moves? Today we're diving into a groundbreaking experiment that's shaking up everything we thought we knew about physics. So buckle up and get ready for a journey into the quantum world. Let's start with what actually happened in this experiment. A team of researchers decided to look at how light interacts with clouds of atoms. Now, that might sound super exciting at first, but hear me out. They found something really strange. Photons, which are particles of light, showed a negative time delay. What does that mean? Well, it's like the photons spent less than zero time in the atomic cloud. I know that sounds crazy, but that's exactly what scientists observed. Now, why does this matter? Think about how we usually picture light traveling. It's like a car driving down a road, right? It takes time to get from point A to point B, but this experiment suggests that sometimes light can behave in ways that don't follow our normal ideas of the time and space. This isn't just cool for physics nerds like me. It could lead to some amazing new technologies. We're talking about quantum computers that could solve problems in seconds that would normally take computers years. Or communication systems that are completely secure from hacking. These aren't just pipe dreams, they're potential real-world applications of this weird quantum behavior. So who are the brilliant minds behind this discovery? The research was a team effort between scientists from the University of Toronto and Griffith University. These aren't just any scientists, they're experts in quantum optics and information. People like Daniela Angulo, Kyle Thompson, and Vita Michelle Nixon were key players in this study. They spent years studying how light and matter interact in the tiniest scales. Now let's get into how this experiment actually worked. The researchers used something called cross-Kerr effect. Don't worry if it sounds like gibberish, I'll break it down for you. Basically, they shone two beams of light through a cloud of atoms. One beam was the signal and the other was the probe. When the signal beam passed through the atoms, it made them excited, kind of like how caffeine affects us. Then they measured how this excitement changed the probe beam. They found that sometimes the photons seemed to exit the atomic cloud faster than they should have. It's like they took a shortcut through time itself. This is where things get really interesting for the future of technology. Imagine computers that can process information at unbelievable speeds, or communication networks that are completely secure from eavesdropping. We could even see new types of data storage that make our current hard drives look like stone tablets. These aren't just small improvements. We're talking about revolutionary changes to how we handle and process information. Think about how this could change medicine, for example. Quantum computers could simulate complex molecules, helping us design new drugs much faster. Or in transportation, we could use quantum systems to optimize traffic flow in big cities. The possibilities are really exciting. Now I know what you're thinking. When can I get my hands on this cool quantum stuff? Well, we're not quite there yet. This research is still in its early stages. Scientists need to do a lot more experiments to fully understand what's going on. But the good news is things are moving pretty quickly in the world of quantum tech. In the next few years, we might start seeing some early prototypes of quantum devices. And within a decade or so, we could see the first real-world applications in specialized fields. Of course, there are still challenges to overcome. Building quantum technology is incredibly complex and sensitive work. It's going to take a lot of funding, collaboration between scientists, and probably a few more groundbreaking discoveries along the way, but the potential benefits are so huge that it's worth the effort. So there you have it, a peek into the weird and wonderful world of quantum physics. Who knew that by studying how light moves through a cloud of atoms, we could end up reimagining the future of technology? If you found this as mind-blowing as I did, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating science content. What do you think of these quantum discoveries? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep being amazed by the universe we live in. Check out more at newswade.com.